Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see how cinnamon is good for you, its benefits and a simple recipe. Let us start. Cinnamon is the healthiest and the common spice in the kitchen that helps in lowering the blood pressure, reduces heart disease and has medicinal properties too. It is cheap, readily available and is present in many authentic dishes as a significant ingredient in various recipes. It is high in cinnamondehyde that is responsible for many health benefits including metabolism. Now let us see the benefits of cinnamon. It loads with antioxidants. It has high amount of the antioxidant a polyphenol that helps in protecting the body from oxidative cell damage and is used as a natural food preservative. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It can fight against infection and repair the damaged tissues, and its anti-inflammatory effects lower the risk of any disease. It lowers the risk of heart disease. About half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day is good for type 2 diabetes to maintain the blood sugar. It also aids in reducing the LDL cholesterol and triglyceride and increases the good HDL cholesterol in the blood. Its beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. It improves the function of the brain cells by showing signs of betterment in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. In other words, it protects the neurons and improves motor function. It protects against cancer. Cinnamon helps in reducing the growth of cancer cells and lowers the formation of blood vessels in the tumors that may be dangerous and toxic, leading to death. It concludes that cinnamon would remain the healthiest spice, protecting you from dangerous life-threatening diseases and provides you with impressive health benefits. Now let us see a simple recipe of cinnamon apple smoothie for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 cup chopped apple, 1 cup chopped fresh spinach, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 5 ice cubes and 2 teaspoon honey that is optional. Now let us see how to prepare the smoothie. Add all the ingredients to a blender and blend well. Pour into a glass and serve chilled. I hope the information would be useful for you and would love to make the smoothie for losing weight and remain healthy. Thank you.